Welcome to 2 minute short and crisp algo trade training from Market Secrets. If you are interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description section of this video to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to learn how to modify an order. Okay, in the earlier episodes, we have seen how to place an order, how to get the order details of the placed order. So now what we are going to do is we are going to place an order and then we are going to modify that particular order. Okay, so I'm just going to uncomment these steps which we can use to place an order, and maybe you can even remove these steps for now. So I'm going to run this. So now we are going to place an order. Okay, so it's executed. So actually we should print the order details to get the order ID. So I missed that. So I'm commenting the order placing script, and I'm just printing the order details. So I'm just getting all the details of the orders that we have and printing the order details. Okay, now pasting the script back again, and going to the end to see the last placed order. Okay, so this is the order ID of the last order that we have placed. I mean, at the start of this episode we placed an order, right? So this is its order ID and it's still in open. Okay, so this will give us the order details. Okay, so I'm just passing the order ID here. This will now give me order details of the specific order. Okay, so let me run it again, and now I'll get to see only the details of the specific order in the last response. Okay, so these are all taught in the earlier episode, so go back and see if you're not familiar with anything. So if you look at here, right, so this order is placed at 510 rupees and it's in open status. Okay, so now let's go and see this in UI. So I'm going back to the UI, and if you see here, right, there is an order. So I'm going to the order details. If you see the order ID 5399 53394, it's the order that we have placed. Okay, now we got the order placed in the UI. Now I'm going back to the script to modify this particular order. Okay, so I'm just removing this line of code. I'm going to modify it. Okay, so my client dot modify order, there is a function modify order, and first thing you need to pass is order ID. So I'm just going to copy this order ID and I'm going to use it. And what I'm going to modify, maybe we can change the price, right? Okay, so let's change the price, and sorry, where I see price to, we can change it to 520. Okay, so maybe 520.0, and then what you need to place the quantity, right? So quantity can be same 1, and what else we have, disclosed quantity, trigger price, and validity. So disclosed quantity, trigger price, and validity. So these are all like mandatory parameters. So I'm just copying and pasting it. So tag is not required, I'm removing it. Okay, D is missing, I'm adding it. Okay, so that's it. Now if I run it, the order should be automatically be changed to 520. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it exited properly. So let's go back to the UI and check whether the order has been modified over there. Okay, so back at the UI, and if you see the order, right, so it's actually changed to 520 through the script. Okay, so this is how you need to modify your orders through the script. So you can even change the quantity, so you can change the price, anything you want, right? You can directly change it. So if you have any queries, comments, or feedback about this episode, leave it down in the comment section. Also, if you find this episode useful, hit like and subscribe buttons. Also share this video with your friends. Thank you.